how to take some awesome shots of your pets. So we're trying to get some funny shots of our German Shepherd today. We have two lights using the Elinchrom Master RX as our key light inside the deep octa, and we're using another Elinchrom Master as our backlight. Nothing on the background. Initially I did put something on the black background, but now nothing on it. It looks better without that. So I'll take you behind the scenes, what this looks like, and then we can take a look at the final results. Enjoy.
So as you can see, you need to keep shooting and keep repeating. You got to keep tossing those treats, making sure the dog is happy, and get him to pose in the right way. The ideal shot for me would be where both of his eyes are visible in a funny way looking at the camera. So you need to shoot from a top-down angle. And that's it for this shoot. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more such stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.